Okay, so here we go.
1, 2, 3, action.
I miss our farm. I wish I had friends here in the city. Sometimes it's hard to be in a new house. Let's take Chip for a walk. That will help us cheer up. Yip, 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 yip. Stop, Chip. Come back. We need to catch him. He could get loose in his big city. In this big city, let's go. Hi, did you see my dog Chip?
See the little black dog with the hip hip bark?
That's our Chip.
I'll help you catch him. I think you're into the park.
Hi, did you see my dog Chip?
I see the little black dog with the hip hip bark.
That's our Chip.
I think he ran into the swing, so you catch him.
Hi, did you see my dog Chip? You see the little black dog with the big bark? That's our Chip. I think he ran out of the... Sorry, you catch him.
Look, there on the steps. Isn't that the little black dog with the yip yip bark?
Chip. What a smart dog. He didn't get lost at all. Thanks for helping us catch Chip. Kim, it looks as if you got our wish.
No, your wish.
Yes, Chip and I now have some new friends here in the city. Yip, 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 yip.
Jackson. Okay, Jacob.
My name is Jacob, and I'm playing Chip.
Hi, my name is Amber. I play
Sanchez.
My name is Peyton Helen, and I played Kim.
My name is Brad, and I play Park Worker.
My name is Prom, and I played the dad.
My name is Jackson, I play Hot Dog Man.
Very nice. All right, that is it. Told you to be short and sweet.